channel. It's me again, just a store lang po. Ayan, for today's video is another unboxing, guys. So, this is for the kitchen. So, I have this kind of, this is for the fridge. Ayan. So, this is like 4 pieces kitchen bin set. So, para organize ang iyong refrigerator sa loob ng iyong fridge, you can put this kind of bin. Ayan. So, this one. So, let's see. So, this one, I bought this in Costco. So, it's been like, I think September. September is already in the house. But then, na-stuck sa storage, hindi ko rin nabuksan. So, ngayon ko lang bubuksan, guys. Kasi gusto ko nang ma-dispose yung aking mga old Tupperwares. And, yun. So, it's about time to replace them. So, ayan. Ito na nga, guys. So, 4 pieces. So, ito yung itsura niya. Para organize yung iyong sa refrigerator ba? Sa loob ng fridge. So, ayan. So, this thing. Okay. So, I have this kind. Ayan. So, isalpak nyo lang sa ref nyo para ma-organize mo ba. Ayan. Ayan. So, lalagay mo dito bawat item nakalagay para hindi magulo sa inyong ref, diba? Naka-organize. So, I have this one. This is if you have apples or fruits, you can put all together here. Love, what is that? And this one is for if you have some of your drinks. Yung can, yung nakakan na drinks. Plus this one is for veggies. If you have like peppers, bell peppers, and lemon, you can put it here. Ayan. Para organize. Naka-organize sa ating refrigerator. Okay, so the next is this one. So it's saying you can use this for like fruits or some of the lemon or fruits or vegetables, you can put it here. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ganito. Okay, ganyan. So, 4 pieces lang to. Yung aking kitchen bin set for the fridge. So, this is for the fridge. And I have also a Tupperwares. So, I have like 38 pieces of new Tupperwares. So, if you have, diba, if you have some leftovers, lagi natin ilalagay sa mga Tupperwares, right? Tapos nilalagay sa fridge. So, I have this one. So, same to sila na nabili ko, but then, hindi ko nabubuksan pa. So, ngayon ko lang bubuksan. So, this one is bali 19 containers. They have like this or like that, like this. Ayan. So it's like 19 containers and 19 lids. Ayan. So ganito. Okay. So I have old ones too, pero matagal na. Pag laging nagma-microwave, madaling masira yung mga Tupperware. Or nag-iiba na yung texture niya, kulay. So, kailangan nang palitan yung aking mga old Tupperwares. So, this one is, it's gonna be new one. Ayan. So, I'm gonna grab some of the scissors. this one, open na natin guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, tagal-tagal ko na daw nabili or binili namin sa Costco. So yun na nga guys, until now. So ito na. Sabi nga ng asawa ko, pinipreserve ko daw ito. Kasi hindi ko ginagamit. So, ito yun. Ayan. So, napakadami. So, ito yung aking mga bagay. Tupperwares. Ayan, from may size siya, medium. Ito ay large pala ito. Large. And you have this. Diba? Dami. So, maganda to kasi makapal siya. Makapal. Ayan. This one. Some of the cover. Some of this. And this. So, this one. Ayan. Malaki siya. So, para lahat ng iyong this one and this small one. So, you can put some of your veggies like this. Organize the fridge ba? Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito na nga. So, buksan na natin isa-isa. So, this one is the big one. Sobrang dami. Your some of the lid. Napakadaming lid. So this is for the big one. There's also a lid here. So this is for the big one. This big one. Like this. Ayan. So maganda to kung klase kasi may rubber siya dito. Ayan. Tsaka hindi mahirap buksan. Like this. Pag binuksan mo, close mo lang, and then lock, and then open. It's easy. It's easy, but I don't have any energy. So like this, hindi ko kaya isarado. Ayan. Ganito siya. So I have 2 pieces for that. Then I have this for how many pieces? So magandang. So this one guys. Ayan. Makita niyo siya. Magandang klase. In Tupperware. So this is also the cover. May rubber. Madaling buksan kasi both sides pwede mo siya buksan. Unlike yung ordinary na Tupperware, ang hirap magbukas pa sa ganun-ganun lang. So this is better. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have like this one, I have 5 pieces for this. I have the lid too. And I have this thing. Maliit lang konti. So if you have the soup, and maliit na soup, or you have this kind, round one, like this. Oh, diba? Maganda. Ayan. Super ganda. So I have this 2 bowl. Like, yes, 2 bowl. And I have this small one too. The small one. So para sa ano, medium, extra large, medium, large, medium, and small. So this one, liliit. Pero yung lid niya is ganito. Ayan. Oh. maganda. Diba? Yeah, super nicey. So I have this mini one. Oh, I have the long one. So I have like this one is 4 pieces and 3 pieces for this, a little longer. Ayan, kung may mga soup kayo na pwedeng stack, pwede nyo gamitin. Lagay sa rep. Ayan. Ito ay pwede siyang i-microwave. Ayan. Pwede siyang i-microwave. Yung plastic, yung ano niya. Leak-proof, airtight, leak-proof, and airtight. So, ito ay pwede siyang microwable Tupperwares. Ayan. Yep. It's cool. Ganda. So, tatapon ko na yung aking mga lumang Tupperware. See you guys! Yun lang po ang aking vlog for today. So, we'll see later after this one. Kasi, I have to clean this all first before I put some of the veggies and everything in this container. Okay? And give me a thumbs up guys if nagustuhan yung aking video. Bye! See you! Thank you very much! Guys, I already put in our fridge. So we'll see kung gaano kaganda. Tadaan! Ayan na guys. Nalagay ko na siya. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, diba? Ganda. Organize ang ating laman ng ating fridge. Ayan. Mga abubot. Ayan. Ayan guys. Maganda yung plastic. Ay yung ano niya. Tupperware. And that one is for the fruits and vegetables. Ayan. So this is our food stuck in the fridge too. Vanilla. Ay, ang aming mga frozen meat. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan ang aming laman ng aming ref today. Ayan. Bye guys. Thank you for watching again. Ayan. That's my vlog for today.